Hi, I'm Ron Bamier. Often we're asked from people who've been victimized by crimes if they have any other remedies. And when they talk about that, they're talking about, they know that the DA is prosecuting their case, that they're going to hold the perpetrator of their crimes responsible. And they want to know if there's anything else available for them. And what we often tell them is, yes, there is. See, when you're hurt by somebody, not only can they be held accountable in the criminal courts, but they can be held accountable in the civil courts, meaning that you can collect monetary damages for the injuries they inflicted upon you. And the interesting thing in many of these cases is that not only is the direct perpetrator responsible, but potentially the person who employed that perpetrator is responsible for damages towards you. A couple of examples of this could be, and are actually, we've handled cases where priests have molested children. And in those cases, that priest is liable for the damages he's done to those kids. Additionally, the church was liable for employing that priest and knowing about that priest's desire to harm children. We've also handled cases where people in the school district have hurt children, and we've sued the school districts along with the individual person for damages because the school district knew or should have known that that person was a danger to the children. And we've sued bar owners who've employed bouncers who've beaten people to the point where they've suffered serious injuries, and those bouncers have all been charged individually with crime. But the bar owner was the one who employed them, who trained them, and knew or should have known that he hired very violent men to monitor the security of his bar. And therefore we were able to hold them liable also. These are the types of cases where you're victimized, where you really need to talk to a lawyer to assess what civil damages are that you can obtain. Often clients are shocked to see that there are people who are actually liable for their injuries besides their perpetrators. And because they're not lawyers or because they just don't know, they need somebody to talk to about that. If that's your case, you've been victimized by somebody, and you want to know if you have any civil damages that are available to you, please give us a call. We'll be happy to sit down with you and answer your questions and let you know what your rights are and what you could achieve. Thank you.